Hello, welcome to this elegant four-bedroom bungalow house design in Kenya, where comfort, functionality, and modern living comes together seamlessly. Bungalows remain one of the most preferred house designs due to their simplicity, accessibility, and cost effectiveness. This four-bedroom layout is ideal for families looking for a spacious yet practical home built in one single level. Starting with the exterior, the house features a beautiful and well-planned facade uh, with stylish finishes, large windows, and a welcoming entrance. The design can in, the design can incorporate either a modern flat roof for a sleek contemporary look or a pitched roof for a more classic and timeless appearance like this one of ours. As you step inside, you're welcomed into a spacious living area designed for a comfort and relaxation. The space flows naturally into the dining area, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for family time and entertaining guests. The kitchen is thoughtfully positioned and can be designed as either open plan or closed, depending on your preference. It includes ample storage, sufficient countertop space, and can also feature a pantry for extra convenience. This home includes four well designed bedrooms, making it perfect for growing families. The master bedroom is typically en suite, offering privacy and comfort, while the other bedrooms are spacious and versatile, ideal for children, guests, or even a home office. The house also features a modern bathrooms designed with both style and functionality in mind to meet everyday needs. One of the biggest advantages of this bungalow is it it eases movement. With all rooms on the level, it is highly convenient for families and children or elderly members. Outside, the design allows for additional features such as a carport or garage, a landscaped garden, or a relaxing veranda space. The compound can be customized to suit your lifestyle and preferences. A four-bedroom bungalow in Kenya offers the perfect balance between affordability, space, and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both homeowners and investors. For professional house plans, home design services, and construction consultation, feel free to contact us today at 0724481087 or 0789217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Build smart, live comfortably, and let us help you design a home that truly reflects your lifestyle and vision. Thank you.